In a tussle between the bulls and bears, the former so far has managed to have an upper hand, with only small bouts of profit-taking visible here and there. What many assume to be the beginning of a crash turned out to be a healthy correction inside a larger bull market. The Sensex and Nifty are making new all-time highs each week on the expected performance of the economy, and therefore of the corporates. But this week could be the deciding factor, as a host of macroeconomic data is lined up for release, and that will help decide if the market is overestimating the pace of recovery. First and foremost, a reaction to the US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's address at Jackson Hole Symposium can be expected when the markets open for trade on Monday. The Fed commentary will also have a bearing on FPI flows going ahead, who already have turned somewhat cautious on the Indian markets, with a mere investment of 986 crore rupees so far in August. Although, soon thereafter the focus will shift to the Q1 GDP print for the financial year 2021-22, slated to be out on Tuesday, August 31st. Now, according to an SBI research report, the GDP is expected to grow at around 18.5% in the first quarter of the current financial year. This estimate is lower than the Reserve Bank of India's GDP growth projection of 21.4% for the April to June quarter. Meanwhile, Acute Ratings pegged GDP growth at 22 to 23% for Q1 on the back of a severe contraction a year ago and recovery in economic activities towards the end of the quarter. Any disappointment on the growth front could send markets in a tailspin. That apart, the Indian manufacturing PMI and services are also up for release this week on September 1st and September 3rd respectively. Both figures had improved in July on a month-on-month basis. Furthermore, the auto stocks will be on investors' radar as the sales figure for August will start trickling in next week. The action will return to the primary markets as two new issues, AMI Organics and Vijay Diagnostic, are lined up to open on September 1st. AMI Organics look to raise 570 crore rupees via a mix of fresh issue and offer for sale. It is priced in the range of 603 to 610 rupees per share. Vijay Diagnostics rupees 1894 crores IPO is entirely an offer for sale and priced in the band of rupees 522 to 531 per share. Analysts at Angel Broking have assigned neutral rating to both these issues. Lastly, oil price movement, rupees trajectory, and stock moves will also sway market direction. The benchmark indices had ended the volatile last week on a positive note, but the gains were concentrated in select stocks, suggesting the polarized nature of the market. Analysts believe investors should continue to buy into quality names on dips.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com.